When does a house become a home? Conventional thinking says it's the day you move in. But conventional thinking leads to conventional homes. So we're raising the bar, making a better home. More than just a roof over your head. A room that protects, comforts, and nurtures you. A home that makes your life better and happier. Making a better home starts with understanding what makes you feel safe, comfortable, and cared for. People are at the heart of everything we do. Homes that enrich your life, connecting people with the outdoors. We created one of the world's largest R&D centers to help us get to know you, and what we learn there informs an ever-growing array of design options that cater to your unique lifestyle. Our research has led us to developing proprietary technology, including a post and beam framing system that requires less build time while providing superior precision, strength, and unparalleled design flexibility, and reducing on-site construction time. Planks are milled to factory specifications, engineered and tested for strength, and bolted together on-site. Not nailed, bolted. Our unique construction practices allow for vast open spaces, expansive floor-to-ceiling windows that connect indoors and out with an elegant, natural, and seamless flow. At SHAWOOD, we believe that caring for the planet is as important as caring for people. The timber we use is harvested at peak maturity from sustainably certified forests, and we plant 2 trees for every one we take. Other features of a SHAWOOD home include efficient lighting, enhanced airflow, and zero-energy home options that keep you safe while minimizing your carbon footprint. What covers the outside of your home is as important as what's inside. Our proprietary Bell-burn ceramic panels are low maintenance and durable enough to protect you from the worst Mother Nature has to offer, while keeping your home beautiful for decades to come. So, when does a house become a home? When it's created the SHAWOOD way. SHAWOOD. Home perfected.